Hello dear students, in today's session we will learn about how to round off numbers to the nearest 10,000s. Nearest to 10,000s. Yesterday we learned or we revised how to round off numbers nearest to the thousands. Okay, so one question was there to round off numbers nearest to one given number was 7,800, I think. Okay, so 7,800. The answer for that one is 8,000. Okay, so if you have any doubts regarding this rounding of numbers, you can watch the rounding of numbers nearest to tens, hundreds I shared on my YouTube channel. So if you are watching that video, you will get more clarifications. It is for class 4. So if you have any doubts regarding that one, you can watch that video. So then you will get a clarification. You need to know how to round off these numbers nearest to tens, 100,000, 10,000. Understand? So in class 5, this is a new topic for you. In class 5, we need to round off numbers nearest to the 10,000s. So I am starting the topic. Example 1. Okay, the first one, it is round off 17,914 to the nearest 10,000. This number we need to round off. Okay, so before that, what are our 10,000s? We know that our first number is 10,000. Okay, these are our 10,000 numbers: 10,000, 20,000, 30,000, 40,000, 50,000, 60,000 is going on. Okay, so these are our 10,000 numbers. So where the or in which between which 10,000 our question, that our number lies between. Okay, in which between which 17,000 17,914 is there. 17,914 is between which thousands. Okay, this is 1. So 1 means this is 10,000. Okay, between 10,000 and 20,000. 17,940 is between 10,000 and 20,000. After that, we need to write this way. What is 17,914 is greater than 10,000 but less than 20,000. And after that, one number line you need to draw. Actually, you don't need to draw this number line, because it is actually taking as a 10,000 is given, then 70,000 they shown, then taking hundreds each they took, but we don't need to draw the number line this way. I will explain to you how to draw the number line for 10,000s. Okay, just watch here. This is 17,914. I told you it is between the thousands, 10,000 and 20,000. So when you draw this number line, you can see that first we need to write the 10,000 first number, isn't it? Then take 1,000 each here. 10,000, then what is the next 1,000? 11,000, 12,000, 13,000, 14,000, 15,000, 16, 17, 18, 19,000, and finally our 20,000. And where is this 17,914? Yes, it is between this 17,000 and 18,000, isn't it? 17,000 and 18,000. It will be between these thousands. Okay, and for rounding numbers, I told you about the middle numbers. Middle number, you can see that in between this 10,000 and 20,000, what is on the middle? It is 15,000. Okay, so the numbers which comes the middle of the number and after the numbers always rounded up to here. The numbers that lies below this middle number always rounded down. So what is on the middle here? 15,000. Actually thousands we are taking, so that 15,000 is on the middle. So you can see that our number is actually on where after the middle, so that we will round up to this water here, 20,000. That means 17,914 is rounded up to 20,000. So that is the thing. I will explain one more example. Okay, then you will get more clarification about that. Okay, next example 2, that is 48,685. 48,685. This is our number. We need to round off this number nearest to the 10,000. So what are this number? 48,685, which is between which thousands we need to find out. So 48,685, 4 is on here, isn't it? First starting number is 4. That means it is between 40,000 and after 40,000, which is our next 10,000, 50,000. Okay, so it is between the 10,000, 40,000 and 50,000. Okay, so we need to first check in between which 10,000 is this our number. Okay, it is between the 40,000 and 50,000. Okay, so we need to find that one. Then we have to write 48,685 is greater than 40,000 but less than 50,000. After that, what I told you, draw the number line. When you are drawing the number line, take the 1,000 each for the numbers. So first we have to write 40,000, then 41,000, 42,000, 43, 44,000, 45, 46, 47,000, 48,000, 49, 50,000. Okay, and you can see that the middle number is what, 45,000, isn't it? That I told you, the middle number, including the middle number and after after these middle numbers, always rounded up. Okay, and the below these numbers will be rounded down. Okay, so 45,000 is here. So here, where is the position of 48,685? It will be between 48,000 and 49,000. So just mark the number on here, 48,685. So you can see that it's very near to 50,000. So what we'll do, 48,685 is rounding up to what, 50,000. Okay, so this is the rules we need to focus when we rounding off the numbers nearest to the 10,000 places. Actually, in class 5 we need to know how to round off 6 digits numbers. Actually, on example 2 they given us round off 7,32,186 to the nearest 10, hundreds, thousands and 10,000. So this one is a big thing. Okay, so I will explain these things next day. That means after writing these notes, I will explain this thing. But before that, you must learn how to round off numbers nearest to 10, nearest to 100, nearest to 1,000 and nearest to 10,000. Okay, so here they are taking one number and they are rounding this whole number nearest to 10, 100 like that. But here I teach you what I told you, that is rounding these numbers only to 10,000. Okay, so this number actually I rounded only to 10,000 spaces, not to 10s, 100 like that way. So first you need to study how to round off this number nearest to 10,000. Okay, so just to watch this video 2 or 3 times. Okay, and also if you have any doubts regarding this rounding of numbers nearest to tens and hundreds, thousands, I will share that video I will share on next day. So and 10 and 100 I already shared on my YouTube channel, so you can watch that video, then you will get a more clarification about it. Okay, so you must learn the rounding of numbers nearest to 10,000. Okay, so when you are rounding off these numbers, what are the things we need to focus and what are the things we are doing, like that things you must study. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you.